Hello everyone. Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your trusted source for creating beautiful and functional living spaces, both indoors and out. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you ready to take your outdoor living to the next level? Today, we're stepping outside to talk about one of the most rewarding and beautiful additions you can make to your home, an outdoor dining space. A patio is more than just a place to put a few chairs, it's an extension of your home, and creating a dedicated dining area can completely change how you use it. An outdoor dining space for a patio is simply a dedicated area set up for enjoying meals in the fresh air. It's a purposeful design that moves the heart of your home, the dining table, outdoors. This isn't just about placing a table on a slab of concrete, it's about creating an inviting and comfortable environment with the right furniture, lighting, and decor that encourages you to step outside and savor your meals. It's a space where you can host a casual brunch with friends, enjoy a quiet family dinner under the stars, or simply sip your morning coffee while breathing in the fresh air. Ultimately, it's about embracing and celebrating the beauty of nature right in your own backyard. The benefits are truly fantastic. First, it encourages a healthier lifestyle. Dining outdoors is a great way to disconnect from screens and reconnect with nature. It can also boost your mood and reduce stress. Secondly, it adds significant value to your home. A well-designed outdoor dining space is a major selling point and increases your usable living area without the cost of a traditional home extension. Thirdly, it provides the perfect venue for entertaining. It's ideal for parties, barbecues, and family gatherings, making your home the go-to spot for celebrations. And finally, it simply expands your living and entertaining options, offering a refreshing change of scenery and a special atmosphere that indoor dining just can't replicate. Decorating your outdoor dining space to look beautiful is all about creating an atmosphere. Start with a solid foundation, choose a dining set that is both comfortable and durable, designed specifically for outdoor use. Think about the style of your home and let that guide your choice, whether it's a rustic farmhouse look or a sleek modern vibe. Next, add some ambience. Layering is key. Use lighting to set the mood, think string lights, lanterns, or even a beautiful chandelier under a pergola. Don't forget about textiles. Outdoor rugs and cushions can add a pop of color and texture, making the space feel cozier and more defined. Finally, bring in some life with plants and flowers. Potted plants, hanging baskets, and climbing vines can soften the space and seamlessly blend it with the natural environment. To get that perfect setup, here's a quick list of essentials and best items for an outdoor dining space for a patio. First, a durable dining set. Look for materials like teak, aluminum, or synthetic wicker that can withstand the elements. Second, weather-resistant cushions and upholstery. Choose fabrics that are fade-proof and water-resistant for long-lasting comfort and color. Third, outdoor rug. Defines the space, adds warmth, and is easy to clean. Fourth, ambience lighting. String lights, solar-powered lanterns, or sconces create a magical evening atmosphere. Fifth, a shade solution. A pergola, umbrella, or retractable awning provides comfort on sunny days. Sixth, an outdoor grill or kitchen, the ultimate convenience for seamless outdoor entertaining. Seventh, potted plants and planters, adds a touch of nature, color, and life to the space. Eighth, outdoor heater or fire pit, extends the use of your patio into cooler evenings. Now, for the moment you've been waiting for. Let's get some serious inspiration with our top 10 best outdoor dining space for patio ideas. 1. A modern rooftop oasis. This stunning rooftop patio takes urban outdoor dining to new heights. The sleek wooden overhang provides a sense of enclosure while the open sides maintain panoramic city views. With a long, minimalist dining table and chairs, this space is perfect for sophisticated dinner parties. The lush planters and natural wood tones soften the hard lines of the urban landscape, creating a serene and private escape. 2. A cozy contemporary retreat. This design perfectly blends modern architecture with rustic charm. The dual-level roof provides protection and a dramatic visual, while the stacked wood wall creates a stunning focal point and a sense of warmth. With a comfortable sectional couch and a sleek dining area, this patio is an entertainer's dream, offering different zones for relaxation and dining, all beautifully illuminated for evening use. 3. The Moroccan-inspired alfresco room. Talk about a cozy and romantic atmosphere. This patio is draped in beautiful white curtains that create a sense of privacy and a soft, ethereal glow. The vibrant yellow and blue rug instantly draws the eye and adds a global flair, while the Moroccan-style lanterns and candles set a warm and intimate mood. The combination of a rustic wooden deck and lush greenery makes this a perfect spot for an enchanting evening meal. 4. A luxurious brickside lounge. This grand outdoor space offers the best of everything. A substantial covered patio with a beautiful wood ceiling and built-in lighting provides year-round comfort. The impressive stone bar and grill area, complete with a TV, makes this a fully functional outdoor kitchen. With a luxurious dining table and a separate fire pit area, this patio is an entertainer's paradise, perfect for hosting large gatherings by the poolside. 5. A rustic European courtyard. Step into this beautiful European-style courtyard and feel instantly transported. The charming stone walls and archways provide a timeless, rustic backdrop. The star of the show is the magnificent olive tree, providing a natural focal point and a touch of ancient elegance. A large, reclaimed wood dining table paired with modern white chairs creates a beautiful contrast, making this space both historic and fresh. 6. A secluded backyard escape. This is a perfect example of how to create a tranquil dining area in a lush backyard. The combination of a wooden deck and a black metal pergola creates a modern and clean aesthetic. A large, communal dining table is tucked away under the pergola, surrounded by dense greenery that provides privacy and a calming atmosphere. A separate, sleek outdoor kitchen and bar area makes entertaining easy and stylish. 7. A traditional suburban patio. This inviting patio shows that a beautiful outdoor dining space can be achieved with classic design elements. The dark wood pergola adds architectural interest and provides partial shade. The bright orange cushions on the dining set pop against the neutral tones of the house and patio, creating a cheerful and welcoming vibe. The large, square stepping stones leading across the lawn create a visually appealing path to this cozy retreat. 8. A mountain view perch. This incredible outdoor space offers a dining experience with an unbeatable view. The substantial stone fireplace and pergola create a magnificent focal point, anchoring the space on the hillside. The natural stone and wood materials perfectly complement the mountainous backdrop. With multiple seating areas for lounging and dining, this patio is a perfect blend of rustic elegance and breathtaking natural beauty. 9. A modern outdoor kitchen and entertainment hub. This space is designed for the ultimate sports fan and foodie. The dark-stained pergola creates a strong, contemporary framework. The large, built-in outdoor kitchen with stainless steel appliances and a granite countertop is a chef's dream. The massive outdoor TV is a game-changer, allowing for a fantastic entertainment experience while enjoying a meal or a drink, making it the perfect spot for weekend gatherings. 10. An elegant poolside dining loggia. This luxurious covered patio, or loggia, seamlessly connects the indoors with the out. The beautiful stone walls and wooden beams give it a grand, timeless feel. A long, rustic dining table with bench seating offers a warm, communal feel. The space opens up to a perfectly manicured lawn and sparkling pool, providing a sophisticated backdrop for any meal. The thoughtful decor and comfortable seating make it feel like a true outdoor living room. I hope these amazing examples have sparked your imagination and given you some fantastic ideas for your own outdoor dining space. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a small city patio, you can create a beautiful and functional area for making memories with family and friends. It's all about choosing a style that you love and adding personal touches that make it your own. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and let us know in the comments which patio was your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiration and tips to create the home of your dreams. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.